cheese, y'all. Mozzarella cheese there. Cheesy cream on there. This looks like it doesn't have as much. That looks like it. See how it looks when I cut that slice? Right here is going home with me. Gonna heat that up later. What's going on, family? It's your man Matt DV. We are in the Ironbound section of Newark, New Jersey, and we are about to go and get some Brazilian pizza. Yo, Edgardo, I think this is the second restaurant we've gone to that was suggested by Edgardo, but you guys come along with me here in the Brazilian/Portuguese section of Newark, New Jersey. The Ironbound. Let's go check it out. They got seating inside too. Let's see what's up. Seating inside. Let's see. How you guys doing? Chicken, olives, bacon, cream cheese, olives. And how do you do it? Just slices or just the whole pies?
We can do slices. We can do a whole pie if you want it. There's 4 sizes: small, medium, large, extra large.
You know what? Go ahead and just give me a small pie then.
Small pie?
Yeah, I might as well just get it. Yeah, the one. Your suggestion. How do you say it again?
Moda do chef. English would be like this, the chef style.
Chef style. Okay.
So here, we make the Moda chef. That's the most requested pizza for like 20 years in here.
Yeah.
Everybody love it, right? And for the last like 4 years that I've been here, I know for sure that this one is the most, like, with a lot of toppings.
Yeah.
And everybody loves it.
Yeah. So now, is it? How are you from Brazil?
Yeah, we are from Brazil here.
Okay. Now, do you guys make this pizza in Brazil?
When I was in Brazil, I usually request a paulista. That's other kind of pizza, right?
Yeah.
But it goes like more Brazilian ingredients.
Yeah.
Right? Mother the Chef, that's the first time, to be honest, that I seen here, because in Brazil, I never tried a lot of pizza.
Right.
It's just simple ones, right? But yeah, that's more like a Brazilian style.
Nice.
Everything in here, you know.
Nice. That's that cheese, y'all. Mozzarella cheese.
That's the chicken.
That's the chicken. Oh,
Yeah,
it's like shredded up. Yeah. Oh, let's see.
That's a vegetable, the heart of palms.
Heart of palm. Yes, I know this vegetable. Yeah. All right, we can do the bacon. This joke is loaded, man. Oh, we got that egg going on. Egg too? Oh, okay. I bet that's the cheese. The cream cheese?
The cream cheese.
Cream cheese. I love cream cheese. Here it comes, y'all. Here it comes. Look at this. Oh, it's got olives too. I love olives. Look at this, y'all. That really looks like a masterpiece. That is a masterpiece right there, y'all. Guaraná. Got the Brazilian soda, the Brazilian pizza. Let's check it out. Once again, we're here in the Portuguese area. I'm calling it the Brazilian area, the Ironbound in Newark, New Jersey. It's a cultural melting pot in Newark, man. One thing I like about Newark is that I could just be like, hey, I want to go get some Brazilian food. And you can go get authentic Brazilian food in the Ironbound. I even got a plate. Look, y'all. I'm all fancy. I got a fork and a knife for pizza. I feel like I'm out west somewhere. Hold on, let me let y'all see this, man, as I'm pulling this off. Look at this, nice and look at that cheese on there. See that? Here we go. All right, I do have a fork and a knife. I just want y'all to see this, man. Look how that looks right there. See how it looks when I cut that slice? I know y'all probably like, he just showed us the whole pizza. I gotta pick it up old school, man. I gotta pick this up. That is really good. There's so many different flavors going on in my mouth right now. But the one that's surprising me the most, and I've never had this on a pizza before, was the sliced boiled egg. Wow. It kind of, I'm tasting that like yellow in the egg yolk. It's making me think of breakfast and lunch at the same time. The flavors are all of that, y'all. I think I've discovered a new spot. Well, Edgardo already knew. Edgardo Lopez, thanks again. Thanks, Edgardo. It's definitely a spot I'm happy I came by. There's a lot going on right here. I haven't had the hearts yet. You got the palm hearts. There's that palm heart right there. Let's check it out. It's like soft and country. It's like soft and crunchy at the same time. I'm trying to call y'all country. It has that chickeny, bacony, cheesy, eggy taste. It's delicious. When I saw him making it, I seen how little bit of sauce he put on it. And I was gonna say something, but I said, nah, let me just get it the way they make it. It doesn't have like a whole bunch of sauce, but it makes it, it's still fine, man. It's delicious. Let's taste this soda. Ugh. It tastes like cherry soda. It tastes like a mix-up between cherry and cream soda. To all my people from Brazil, peace, paz. But the crust, the way he made it and baked it is just right. It's not overcooked. Can you see it there? See that? That's perfect, right? That's what you want the bottom of your pizza to look like. If I had the kids here with me, we probably still only needed a small. Let me see, Zach gonna knock off 2, definitely. Yeah, it would have been 2 each. It would have been 2 of these slices each if I had my 2 younger kids with me. This is it, man. This is your man, Matt DV, signing off from another one, another good one. Check them out. Brazilian Pizza here at 97 Wilson Avenue. Hold up, 97 Wilson Avenue, Newark, New Jersey. Come get you some Brazilian pizza. They have other things here too, just FYI. It's not just pizza. Let me help. They got linguine, sausage parm, eggplant parm, chicken parm, cheese, steak, peppers and onions, salads. They got calzones. There you go. They got a big menu, man. Come check them out. With the pizza, put my sign of approval on it. Nobody told y'all I love you today. You hanging with the wrong cats. I love you, cats. Also, thanks all of y'all for liking and subscribing. It's Matt DV. I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace. Y'all thought this was a game. Y'all thought this was a game. I got my pizza, man. I got my pizza. That was really good pizza, y'all. I'm glad I came by here. I'm a sauce guy. You know what would have made this really like the bomb? If I had some, this is gonna sound crazy too, right? Because this is not usually on pizza. Some Alfredo sauce. Maybe I was just craving Alfredo sauce. But another good review. Another good spot that we went by. Brazilian pizza. And very satisfied. Definitely a nice spot. Oh, the pizza was, I think I'll let y'all know. I'll write it down. I think it was $15 for the pizza. Something like that. This is your man Matt DV walking through the Ironbound. My car is about a 4-minute walk. I wanted to park away from it so I could take in the sight. And the Ironbound, man, it's like being in a different country for real. All right, y'all, I'm out for real. Peace.